Ever walked into a store, spent 20 minutes searching for just one item, and walked out frustrated? Empty cart, waste time, and bitter experiences. You're not alone, brother. Today's retail is broken, not because of bad products, but because of broken experiences. But what if I say AI could fix that? Hey everyone, my name is Sri Raghavan. Past few weeks, me and my friend Devanjan has been working on Walmart Sparkathon. Our problem statement is regarding reimagining customer experience. We spotted a problem. They are in-store inefficiency, big stores, confusing layouts, precious minutes lost. Then second, digital and physical disconnect. You add it to your wish list, but you can't find it in store. Problem number three, lack of shopping inspiration. Most of us don't shop with a plan. We forget things. It's our nature. So we need help, not just a cart. Problem number four, inefficient inventory for retailers. Too much time, too little, or too late. Poor stock management silently drains billions.
No more endless searching through crowded aisles. WalRoute's intelligent search system categorizes everything from fresh produce to electronics. Want organic bananas? It's right there, $1.29. Aisle 1 in stock. You need avocados, but it is in out of stock. Don't worry, I got you. Roma tomatoes, $2.49. Ready to grab. There is a speech recognition system like chicken breast, then it shows the result for that. The system even shows real time stock levels, so you will never walk to an empty shelf again. But here's the where it gets brilliant. Walroute doesn't just find your items, it creates the most efficient path through the store. You just don't need to do anything. Just go to the map page and click the route button and look at this interactive store map. It calculates your optimized route covering 90.21 meters instead of the typical customer's random about a 500 plus meter journey. Your card shows three items. Your route is mapped and you can even simulate the walk before you start. Then what do you need? Wait. A catch is waiting at the end of this video, so don't forget to watch till the end. But the real game changer, personalized suggestions based on your cart items like a banana and Roma tomatoes. Walrout's chef feature suggests complete recipe like this shows here. It provides ingredients you need, step by step instructions, and even pro tips for each item. You wanna see the cool feature? If you click the scan page, then in this page it will ask to access the camera. After that, if you place any item in front of the camera, and then it automatically adds to the cart. Hi, this is me. So I have this pen drive, HP pen drive. Then it adds to the cart. You see that? And then I have this. See, it added to the cart with the name of the mouse. Isn't it cool? The system recognizes products instantly and updates your total in real time. WalRoute is not just smart for customers, it's revolutionary for retailers. The analytical dashboard tracks inventory trends, identifies understock items, overstock, and expire items. So you can see last 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, and 5 years also. And you can change the chart, which type of chart you need to visit. Ready to pay? Simply click buy now and choose your payment method. I'm selecting Walmart wallet with the 258.46 balance. You can add funds instantly here. One click. Payment goes directly to the store, available as both the website and Play Store app for maximum convenience. But Raghav, what about security? I mean, what if a customer leaves the store without paying? Don't worry. If you leave without paying, IoT sensors and AI-powered scanning machines at exits will detect unpaid items and triggers alerts. It's foolproof loss prevention. But Raghav, another question. I ordered something out of stock. What about my money for that order? No problem. Since you're logged in with your email and location, WalRoute automatically arranges doorstep delivery when item restocks or ships from Walmart online inventory. Every detail is covered. WalRoute transforms shopping from a chore into an intelligent, efficient experience, faster shopping, smarter inventory, personalized recommendations, and seamless payments all in one platform. This is not just an app, it's the future of retail. Welcome to shopping